So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the image opacity here inside of a Keynote presentation. So you have your image right here in your presentation and you want to edit the opacity. So basically how see-through it is, go ahead and press on your image right here, go to the top right and make sure that style is selected. Once you're on the style page, go down to where it says opacity. Now right now, you can't see through it, it's at 100%. But if you were to slide this bar oh so slightly to the left, as you can tell, the image is getting more and more transparent, which of course is because of the lower opacity. So if you go to 0, you can see completely through it. If you go all the way to 100, you can't. If you go anywhere in the middle, you can kind of play around with it that way and do what you have to do. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the image opacity here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.